kerjaan selesai.
This is the most fantastic piece of work we've ever done together.
Oh, done together. Thank you. Okay, that's good. Six feet, yes.
Yeah. Oh? Yeah, let's do it. And I got the other one shoes. Okay, now we just need the nails.
Okay, let's go. Thank you. Say that.
Thank you, Bisa.
Assalamualaikum, hai semua, bersama Nikmatu. Oke teman-teman, tadi ngeliat di tempat perkayuan, yaitu aku lagi rencana membuat tempat menyimpan kayu bakar. Nah, udah punya stone blocker dan sebagainya, terus aku mikir mending bikin meja aja, dan di bawah meja bisa untuk menyimpan kayu begitu. Nah, ini aku bikin mejanya sesuai dengan ukuran tempat yang ada, dan aku ngukurnya sendiri, dan saat beli bisa motong gitu. Jadi ini udah aku kira-kira gitu ya. Sekarang aku mau nyiapin untuk kaki meja dulu ya. Ini udah aku kasih gini, ini yang bagian atas, ini bagian bawah, terus ini aku ngukurnya pakai kayu gini jadi mudah begitu. Dan ini untuk membuat biar flat, biar pas tanpa ukur-ukuran gini ya. Oke, ini nanti untuk atasannya tuh semuanya. Ini total habisnya nggak banyak, cuman $100 plus pajak jadi 110, ya 1 juta lebih dikit lah. Dan ini aku punya elektrik gini. Ini aku bikin mejanya yang super simple. Aku bisa gini karena dulu almarhum bapakku suka bikin meja. Tapi ini yang simple, nggak usah ditata. Ya, kalau bapakku kan natah segala ya. Kalau bapakku bikin mejanya itu ditata gitu. Ini udah pas ya, udah pas. Skrunya aku pakai 1, 2 dulu ya. Terus nanti kalau udah ini baru ditambahin. Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oke, 2 aja cukup ya. Sekarang yang bagian sini nanti tambahin lagi. Ini jilbabnya ini banget sih. Gandul, gondal-gandul. Oke. Oh, oke. Not so bad. Bisa berdiri. Oke, sekarang ambil satunya. Oke. Wah, tinggi juga. Sekarang tinggal gini sama sini. Nah, ini nanti nyimpen kayunya bisa di sini.
I found out how the rabbit got in.
How?
You can see over here.
You want to see my project?
I didn't stop or no. Yeah.
Here, you see? Nice.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
wood.
Yeah, the wood just, see, perfect.
And then we're gonna just put as much as we want
Yeah.
in there. Oh, is that sturdy?
Yeah.
That is sturdy like you.
But this one I cannot go in so hard, I cannot take it out.
Okay, give me the thing.
It's very hard.
I know. It's okay. And besides, it doesn't even have to be all the way. Not going anywhere.
No.
We have 5 on there.
Huh?
There's no way we're gonna have 5.
Don't worry, because I'm
You built it.
I
well,
build
okay.
with the things here. This one put all the wood together first, and then put there, and then put all the
You're
wood
gonna make a wing on
room.
it. You make a
You
wing
know,
on it.
yeah.
So now the
No,
wood-
not a wing like this. This one will be all
Okay,
put
let's just
lay
lay the
on.
wood here. I want to see what it looks like. It's easy. Yeah. The bottom.
So I put all this wood together first in the nail, then later put all together and then just flick
Okay,
it.
well, so you're gonna put. How are you gonna put these together?
Put all together and then put between this. This is for the bottom. Put all the
So
nail,
you're
boom,
gonna
boom,
brace
boom.
it on
Yeah.
here. Brace it separate individually. Yeah.
No,
Nothing to do with here. And then you're gonna, so it'll look like this then, right? This will be here,
It's here like that.
and then this will whatever. This is that's green wood.
I mean, it's the cut all there.
Oh, you mean it cuts all on one side?
Yeah. So what do I need to do? Just make it all level like this.
Okay. Even all this is natural. Okay, well here, get off.
Make it like that.
Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, we're done. We're square, honey.
Yeah, done.
This one, no, the front looking top, just a little bit then.
Then I'm gonna nail it here
Just wait.
like that.
Yeah, that's exactly what you do. You keep
Yeah.
it even. And you keep it further away that it won't impinge the.
Yeah, it's need cannot be on the top of the thing. Must be out in here.
Well, put that on the back. Lift it up and put it on.
No. So
just
we
to
just
see.
measure. This is a 4 feet.
You
So
can put it on top. Like this, just as a.
no, it's heavy. No, I'm not doing that. You're
Okay,
silly.
well, so what do you have to be? Has to be what? What's the distance?
This is I have to the distance in here at least must be 4 feet here, and then
Okay, well, whatever it is.
ini tinggal ngukur ini kan 4 feet ya. Nah, sekarang tinggal ya.
Oh.
Tuh. Okay. Little bit there. A little bit there. Little bit. Oh,
Are you wearing gloves?
no.
Can I help you with that? Stop. Oh, heavy, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Will be put the nail later or a little bit here.
Yeah. Oh, perfect measurement.
Yeah.
Well, not quite perfect, but
Not yet.
no, you're off by you're off by.
Not yet. Little bit push is there.
No, I'm just saying that.
No, because I have to divide it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Lift it up more. Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect. It's not going to get any better for our measurements. You holding it?
Yeah.
Push it. One more push. Okay, good. Further back a bit.
I think we need to digging it.
Oh yes. I mean, I have my level thing, but I can just tell right now.
Look nice, by the way.
Huh?
Look very nice.
It does.
Nah, ini kayaknya masih perlu digali. Kan tanahnya nggak rata. Di belakangnya ada itunya, sisa-sisanya. Tuh. Buatan Rosida.
Where are we putting them? How many are we going to put in? We don't need too many on the top.
Otherwise it'll fly away.
Right.
Okay, let me do it.
Hey,
Yeah.
Let's put a couple down before we do anything. Okay, this looks like it's. Oh yeah. Here, we'll keep it the same one. Stop. Put it right around there. Right there is fine still.
That's why you already make this thing.
Well then, let me do it.
You can see it.
Let me try it.
Maybe it's a nail in there. Ini selesai. Ini pokernya taruh di sini. Sekarang tinggal ngisi dengan kayu bakar. Kayu bakarnya taruh di sini begitu. Okay, let me get it.
Bring your bags in. one bag.
Ini masih muat ini satu karung. You can put one more bag is still fit.
No, I think just yeah, I'll show you where you bring up back. There's a half bag there. Okay.
Yeah,
Let's
we
go.
can. Yeah.
We will get it.
Ini mejanya teman-teman. Udah enak kalau mau fire. Huh?
Go sit on there.
No.
No. Trust me, if it can hold you, go up there.
Yeah.
Right now.
You can sleep here.
You go on
Further
there.
than.
Go sit on there.
Nah,
You don't try.
kerjaan selesai. Right? You happy?
Oh, this is the most fantastic piece of work we've ever done together.
Oh, done together.
We
Thank you.
shopping, you explained what to do. I helped you load it to the car.
Yeah.
Helped everything. But you did most of the work.
Yeah.
You're wonderful.
And the fire pit there is
Oh,
all
it's
done.
This is a really makes sense with our wood here. And now we got our extra wood there.
Yeah.
So we basically have a little bit extra. Not too
Yeah.
much.
Good.
Yeah.
So this is nicer, right? Rather
yeah.
than buying the online things.
No, you just buy it in market. Oh, this, yes. The one online would have been ugly.
Yeah.
This is so much better with it.
So you can use the top for the table.
A tabletop crumble.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Done. See you in the next video.
What can I say thank you? So, I mean, I can only say it like 1,000 times. It's the most fantastic thing I've ever seen.
Yeah.
You know what? We have to go further now with the wood.
Huh?
This is gone.
Yeah. I will fix next time.
Fine with more.
More what?
No.
No more.
No. You could extend it to here, but then it's a tree.
Yeah, that tree will go growing bigger, so it's not it.